to the Izzy
and Lizzie show.
Today we doing our mom makeup, and she look nervous. She look like Jackson 5. Now,
Mom, introduce yourself.
But y'all already said I'm mom.
No.
Y'all introduce yourself.
I'm mom.
No,
I'm mom.
Yeah, people, call her mom. She will be y'all mom.
Okay, well, of course, as you guys can see, they're going to be recreating this style.
Mom,
It will also be down here below as they do my makeup.
Mama,
No, it won't.
Mama, don't hold your phone like that, or you just gonna drop it.
Okay, yes, ma'am. All right, y'all ready?
Y'all hold like this to the kid.
Yeah, now first we got to brush her hair.
My hair? Got to do my eyebrow hair. Come on here, girl.
Okay, now we got to brush her hairs.
Oh, goodness.
Hairs.
It's called hairs because it's hairs
Nuh-uh.
with hairs.
Mama
hair.
don't. Mom, why your eyebrow like close, almost
go.
close
You
to
put
the
it right
other
there.
one? It's like almost close to the other one.
Okay, now what we're going to do now,
No, we not.
yes, you're going to fill in my eyebrows. You use that in. And this, use the eyebrow pomade.
It's not no pomade. It's called eyebrow filler.
Okay. What they said. Alright, you're going to dip the ends of your brush in there like that. And, you know, trace my eyebrow. Fill it in. Make it look good.
Mom, why?
Oh, goodness. Let's see what y'all can do.
We gonna make it look better than that, cause that's just no.
So you telling me I can't do my own makeup? Okay, after I fill in my eyebrows, I always go in with concealer
always
to
go
clean it
in
up.
with
Yes, I do.
You always go in
Now,
with some.
I only have one brush for my concealer, so this is what y'all are going to do.
No, we're not.
Yes. I'm going to put it on right here, and you're just going to dab it.
Dab it.
Dab it.
Yeah. Uh-oh. I might, yeah. I might have got the empty.
Mama throwing
Oh,
up.
Mama don't know how to do her makeup. That she got the bottle empty.
Okay, so just dab it in there. Like
Dab
that
my
right there. No,
And take
this.
it over to your
Until here.
eyebrow.
And then just trace under and over my eyebrow. Ready?
I don't know how to use now.
Watch so you'll know. Okay, all right. Now with this,
You took my phone.
look, you get it? And you just blend it in.
I know how to do that.
I have two eyeshadow brushes.
No, you don't.
Here's one.
No, you don't.
All right, Lauren.
Mom, where the two at?
I'm about to get the other one.
You do not need that paper
Okay, huh.
on top of that. That's not how you do
It keeps it together.
it keeps
Show them what palette we're using.
We using
using
chocolates, and I hate chocolates.
I like chocolate.
Mama, why you got this? We're gonna use Mic Drop.
Okay, there's mic drop.
Oh,
Which one? Okay, just come on.
no,
Do
which
my
one we
eyeshadow.
doing?
We want glittery on Mama. She never
Ooh, what
used
about
this.
this one?
Hey,
You did.
call your eye, Mama.
Lauren be digging up in it.
Nuh-uh. Izzy be digging up in it.
There we go. Mama gonna be looking like style queen.
Instead of her makeup looking on her phone.
Cause she gonna be glitter all over.
Ow.
Wait!
I didn't do
You
nothing.
look like glitter.
Okay, Mom, look in the mirror. Open your eyes.
Okay, all right.
See? See,
There's no okay
I
right
told you.
there.
Now.
Perfect.
Can I trust y'all to put my lashes on?
No, you
Gonna
cannot.
show the people my lashes.
You cannot trust us to put on your lashes,
Oh,
Mama.
well, hold on before we skip on to that. We skip something.
Mama skipped something.
Mascara. All right.
Alright, Mama. Perfection.
Mama gonna be looking.
There we go.
Make sure it's on there now.
Mama, how we supposed to make sure we... There we go. I just,
Don't push my eye out of socket now.
I just gotta make my... And...
Okay.
See?
So far, you looking better than the picture.
All right.
Instead of that.
So next, you can show everybody.
We got some.
gotta change the show.
Okay, well, show. What is it? Tell them what it is. What
I'll
kind of makeup?
make it. Wait, that's what it say on there.
Show them.
Ali make it.
It's Il Maquillage.
No, we're not.
Okay. Here you go. All right. Now with this, just dab a little bit. Just squeeze a little bit on my face. Just put you a little bit here, and then you put you a little bit over here. Okay. Come on.
You got a little bad damn picture, Mama.
Okay.
Do this thing off. A hard brush or something.
And give me that.
Do I do? Ooh, let's do this.
Okay.
See?
There we go.
Okay. Thank you.
No, Mama, it's okay. You love your makeup.
Okay. Now. Okay. All right. Now you guys, oh my goodness.
We skipped the whole part.
Okay. So we have this.
Look.
You're gonna put the powders. Who wants to do this part?
Me.
Well, you do one side. You do the other side. Who wanna go first?
Me.
Okay.
Me.
Just dab it. Just dab.
Yeah.
Put a little right there. Not in my eye now.
There we
Okay. Hold on. Dab. Go here. And here.
Mom, you ain't gonna
Okay.
let me do whole.
Come on now. Dab. Come on. Go. All right. Dab. Go down my nose. Oh, Lord. Okay.
See, Mama?
All right, dab. All right here. All right. Now, while y'all waiting on that, y'all can go and do my hair now.
Oh,
Here's the.
yeah, comb off.
Give me the bandana.
Okay.
You need to brush your hair and comb it.
You gotta part it. Give me a banyang.
Not the banyang.
Bang.
There we go. We got kind of. Oh,
There you go. It's all hold it. That's the bang.
they're perfect.
See, you messing up the hair. Look.
All right. We got your bang.
All right.
See,
Do I need to
Mom,
bring it up some?
it's looking better
Okay.
there. Looking better than this picture. Oops.
Okay.
So, Mama, I don't think we need this phone.
Now, what else y'all gotta do to my hair?
We gotta put on color wax.
Show them the color wax.
It's pink. I mean purple.
If you can say now, you act like you don't know your color.
Yeah, see, you got something on your
You know,
nose.
just a little bit
You
now.
got something on her nose.
Look.
You got something
Okay.
on your nose.
Come on. Don't dip your whole hand in there.
That.
Yep.
This.
Yeah. Well, a little bit more than that. Come
Okay.
on. And this stuff washes right out, so.
Then we turn it, twist it.
Okay, I'll
And
put
then-
the top back on. Put the top back on here. Here, that's
Got
how
your
I
hair
got
on
the
my
towel
hand.
full. Okay.
It's your fault.
This eye keeps wanting to get glued shut.
There we go. You put your hair
You'll
back
wash your
on your
hands in a minute when you get done.
head. There you go.
Okay, thank you.
keep
All
that.
right. Okay, next we need to dust my face off.
Oh, I can dust it.
You do this side, please, ma'am. Okay.
There you go.
Okay, thank you.
Now
All
we
right.
blend me
Now
in.
one person can do the lipstick and the other person can do my highlight.
For what?
My highlights go on my cheekbones.
I want to do highlight.
Okay. There's the highlight.
Actually, I want to do lipstick.
Okay, there's the highlight. There's the lipstick. All right. So highlight here.
Okay,
Lipstick
Mama.
here. Okay.
Now smile. There we go.
And that's the finishing spray to make it stick.
Look, Mom.
I'm looking at you.
What's this? What was?
That's the setting spray. You
So
got-
that's spray on your cheek.
No, like my whole face. Ready? Okay. Let me spray it.
I'm spraying it.
Okay. Thank you. Well, how do I look?
She look perfect. Smash that like button. Actually,
And please tell us in our Instagram
Do
if
with
Mama
the
look
pinky.
perfect.
I still think I did a better job though.
No. Here,
Mom,
side
look
by
at
side.
Mama, look in the mirror.
Stop it, Mama. There we go.
I'm trying to look like the picture. Hold on.
The picture lighter because she put a filter. Well, actually, no, she was outside.
I was outside. Thank you. Okay.
Look. See, that's much better than what you got there. Now we got that scarf.
How about we ask them which one is much better, this or this?
Picture?
Let us know
This
on Instagram.
or this. This is better. Make sure you.
Now,
Sure you
is it
subscribe and
Lizzie
like.
Team? Is
Yeah.
Mommy's hair? Come and Instagram, put hashtag
Mama
Izzy
gotta
and
wash
Lizzie
her
Team.
hair.
If you think the picture's better, put hashtag Mommy Team. Okay?
And make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you notified when we post another video.
Wait,
And
Mama. Say what you guys say to them right now.
What I got to say?
Say you like your look.
I got to say that?
Yeah.
Right now?
And say bye, yeah.
Can I say it off camera?
No.
I can't say it off camera?
No.
Well, I got to say it up.
No.
I like my makeup. Mama.
Say it now so we can.
I his video.
Like my makeup
And my hair.
and my hair.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Mama.
Now say bye.
Bye.
Bye.